Hey guys, Amit here for Phone Radar and we have Honor's latest smartwatch and that's the Honor Watch GS Pro. And this is a very interesting, very powerful smartwatch from Honor. And as you can see here, this has an MRP of 20,999 rupees and additional details are mentioned here, and on the back we have some more details like this is a charcoal black color variant and this is what you get. So let us quickly open up this package and take a look at the actual watch and then share my feedback about this product, like what I think about this Honor watch. First thing first, whenever you buy this, you'll have to download an application from the App Store or the Play Store, and it's called as the Huawei Health, which I have already downloaded on my phone. So here we go, that's the Huawei Health app which is already running, and this is the serial number. First thing, let's put on the side, and there are a lot of stuff within this box. So first thing first, let us pull out the watch and take a look at this beautiful watch. I feel that this is a big sized dial here, and does have a tachometer and very interesting form factor. Let's remove this protection, and it says something in probably Russian. I'm not sure about that. It's probably Russian. You can probably zoom in and take a look here. It is definitely in Russian. I'm not sure why, but this is the strap, and I really wish this also had the leather finish strap, or probably a leather strap. There's a little branding on the lock here which is saying Honor. On the front there's not much branding visible, which is, I would say, in a way a good thing. And in terms of the buttons, there are two buttons on the right, which is here, as you can see here, and these might turn on the watch, and yes, the display looks quite sharp for first impressions, though there's a color of blue here. And on the back we have a bunch of different sensors and information mentioned here. That's this coming with a 5-watt 1 ampere made in China. It's a model, the manufacturing address is mentioned here, and it comes with, I guess, water protection till 5 atm. And this is what you get on the back. On the front, this is how the watch looks like, and there are different options here, though of course this is a touchscreen smartwatch, so it says you need to pair, so I'll do that in a while. Let's move on and take a look at all the other package contents. First thing first, we have a proprietary charging base on which you would probably place your watch, something like this, and that was super fast. Okay, there's a magnetic effect which is actually good, and apart from that we have a power adapter, I guess. No, that's a cable for this adapter, and yes, this also supports type C. Well, that's very interesting. So that's a type C cable, I guess, and I'm not just presuming, it clearly looks like type C. So that's about it. And there's a warranty card here, and apart from that there's also this reading manual in a bunch of different languages, which we don't need it as of now. So that's about it, I guess. This is what you get within this package. I don't think there would be anything else in this package. So let's first take a look at the watch and start pairing it up, because that's the first step we should be doing in order to use this smartwatch. So here is my smartphone, and as you can see here we have the option of Honor Watch GS. Do you want to select the accessory? Yes. Go on the new phone, go to settings, Bluetooth, and select Honor Watch. Okay, that's what it's asking me to do. So let me go to Bluetooth settings. Here we go. I've just paired it. It's asking for permission. Tap on yes. I have done that. And once we are done, it would show up on the upper part as connected, and yes, it's connected. So let's go back, tap on pair, pairing done, and it says pair. So that was super quick. Do you want to allow the display the notifications? Yes, let's go ahead, and pairing is done. There was a little notification. Allow auto update. There's a firmware update of 32 megabyte, and let's do that. In case there are some features, like let's say right now it says that the new features actually it says that the watch needs to be at least 20%. Yes, it's definitely 20%. I really hope that it's downloading the update on my phone and then going to transfer it through Bluetooth. Yes, it's going to transfer through Bluetooth, and it's going to improve the system stability, fixes some known issues. So that's good. Always whenever you have a new product, you should make sure that you have updated the latest firmware update. So let's wait for this update to complete, and then let me just show you the actual smartwatch features.
A few moments later.
So guys, as you can see here, the update has been completed, and right now the watch is connected, battery of 78%. First thing first, I'll go through the application itself, and here we have some interesting options. Like we have the option to customize the watch faces. So here are a bunch of different watch faces which you can decide whatever you prefer. You could select and then install it. So let me go for something very simple, but very elegant, and this is just 120 KB, which is 120 kilobyte, and it's being installing. As you can see here, there's a small little message saying that it's installing, and within a few seconds that would get installed onto your watch, and that's the live demo, as you can see here. So the display is very sharp and beautiful. Now let's go to the watch application, and first thing, as you can see here, of course there are no steps because I've just done the unboxing and waited for probably for 30 minutes to download the update. It was too big as an update, and apart from that we have a bunch of different faces here, watch faces, which are already installed, I guess. Again, this is recommended. In mine there is only one, so I can select any of these, and those would be downloaded and installed onto our watch. Just for fun, I'll just download something funky and show you a demo. So here within a moment or so we would be seeing the demo once this gets installed, and meanwhile let me take a look at the other options. So here we have health monitoring. So here you should enable the true sleep, which would track your sleep count, I mean how many hours you have slept, and also continuous heart tracking. These all things are enabled by default, which is a good thing. There's also an option of automatic stress test, which is generally suggested to install or enable basically, though it would take a few minutes to calibrate, so I'll just skip it right now. There are options to select the favorite contact, weather report, and also alarm, and there are many other options here which you can go through depending on what you would like to. And the funky wallpaper has come up onto the watch, and you can see it here. Though of course the display looks beautiful, on one swipe we get the option to check out the heart rating, and apart from that you enable the stress testing. Again, you can do notice that the display is very sharp, very clear, and that is something which I generally prefer. And these are different screens. Again, if you have music enabled, the Huawei Health application, you can manage the music here. Then this is for the fitness data, which will also be shown here, and these are different screens which you get. Now let's swipe it from the top or the bottom and take a look. So first let's go to the home screen, and then we swipe, and you can see we have a bunch of different options here. Again, we do have the option to find my phone. So let's say you are not able to find your phone, you could do that, and it would just ring basically on your smartphone. So one interesting way you could just find your smartphone. Apart from that, let us go back and take a look at other options. We have the settings here. Now let's go under settings. We have a bunch of different setting options here, like the standard settings of course, but then you can customize anything. Let's say you would like to change the display settings, the watch face, or the always on display. So if you would like to enable always on display, you can just enable that. Apart from that, you can also select the brightness. So if you think that your brightness isn't good enough, you need higher brightness, you can do that, or you can set it on auto, and that will also work great. Under advanced, we have additional options like sleep tracking, the screen on timing. So let's say if you like to have the screen on for more than 5 minutes, then you can select the same here. And of course it's clearly mentioned that the battery would be getting burnt quickly, but then that's about it. That's okay, right? I mean, we can go ahead with that. Now here, talking about the buttons, this is the back button technically, or you can call the home button, but then we also have the secondary button, which is customized primarily for fitness. So once you go there, you have a bunch of different fitness courses or runs or all these bunch of different activities. If I recall, they have more than 100 different activities and suggestions which you can go through. And once you do that, let's say you are on an outdoor walk, you could just enable that video watch, and it would start monitoring your fitness. I mean, also it would not only track the steps but also the heart rate. and this is how you get the data. So very interesting smart watch, I would say, from Huawei, or you can say Honor, which has been launched in India. A very good build, very beautiful display. This is the Honor Watch GS Pro, which has been launched officially in India, and these were all the details. If you'd like to buy one, you can check out the link in description where you can buy one of these products. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and share, subscribe to PhoneRef for more videos like these. I'm Amit and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.